Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share a very amazing site with you guys that pays you to do just small tasks like subscribing YouTube channel. So this is the very amazing site. If you ever wanted to make money online by doing this type of tasks, then this site is for you. I hope this will be helpful. So without any ado, let's start the video. Guys, there's the link in the description. Click that link and you will be redirected to your browser. So first step is to register an account in this site. To register an account, click on sign up. After clicking on sign up, you will be redirected to this page where you have to give the detail like your full name, email address, password, and select the country of resident, country where you stay or live in. After that, click on create my account. Then your account will be ready, but first you have to approve or confirm your email address. So there will be a mail in your email address. Then click that there will in that link mail there you will get a link. Click that link and you have to verify your email address. After verifying your email address, you will be able to start earning in this site. I have already registered an account and I have even already withdrew from the site. So I'm going to show you by logging in to my main account or my account. In this site, you will find many tasks in the form of quest. So you have to just select a quest that you want to participate or join in. So like you have to like and share Facebook posts, follow, retweet and comment on Twitter, download some type of game or app, subscribe or like or comment or YouTube channel. There will be every detail instruction that will guide you what to do and what not to do and what should be provided as a proof that you have completed the quest or task. So you can read all the detail by selecting a quest. So for example, if you want to participate in this quest, just click on it. After that, you will be redirected to the page of the quest. As you can see, I have already submitted or completed this quest. So what you need to do to complete the quest, you can read the detail in this quest instruction where there will be the detail like in this quest you have to follow the page, Facebook page @contact.on username. You have to follow the page with the username of contact.on. Then like the post. There will be the post that will be given, so you have to like the post. Leave a nice comment. You have to comment in that post. Then share to your Facebook timeline. Then you have to share that post in your Facebook timeline, and that will be done. So as a proof, you have to submit a screenshot in which the the maker or the quest giver will see confirm that you have shared the post with the comment. So after that, you have to provide the link to your Facebook profiles. In order to get your Facebook profile link, just click on profile and copy the uppermost link of the browser. So that's it. After providing this detail, they will confirm either you have submitted the real proof. So you have to do these all jobs honestly. If you ever try to fake it, you won't get approved. So in order to get approved, you have to do all these jobs honestly. So once they approve, within few hours you will get your money or the reward of your completed task. So in this task, if you complete, you will get 0.15 USD. Like that, you can complete many tasks and earn free money. So how you can withdraw in this site? So in order to withdraw, you need to make at least $1 or collect $1. uh, After collecting $1, you can go to this your menu bar, then select my credit. Currently in this site, there is only one suitable payment method, that is Ethereum or ETH. So in order to withdraw, you have to just select what you want to withdraw. If you want to withdraw on token, if you ever interested in ERC20 token, then you can also withdraw in on token, but I will recommend withdrawing on ETH as I have already withdrawn in ETH and it is instant. So in order to withdraw, just select the withdrawal option. After that, you need minimum $1. So after collecting $1, just put your address. You have to give your Ethereum address, then select the amount. If you have more than $1, then in amount you can keep that amount. Then you have to select I have read and consent to the agreement above. Then you can click on request transfer. After clicking on request transfer, your payment will be processed. You will get a confirmation link in your email box. Then after confirming that, your payment will be processed. and within few seconds you will get your payment. So this is very amazing site. So guys, this is to earn from this site. If you are influencer or marketer, and if you want to create your own quest or tax, give user, and if you want honest and hardworking worker, then you can also create your own quest or give your own tax in this site. In order to do that, there's the option called create quest. Just click on that, and you can select what you want the user to do, like download something channel, you want your user to subscribe or like or something like that, or social blog review, or you want users to workers to review your product or something like that, and app store review. You can even select user, if you a user who can review on app store, or you can also create a survey. Like there are many websites that that charge you a lot for this type of activities, but you can easily use this site to create low budget plan or low budget quest or mission. So you can also create a custom quest by describing what you want in detail, and like big quests. So this is very helpful for influencer or marketers also, as I found it very amazing site. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope you liked the video. So if you want to join this site, link will be in the description. Just click on that link and join this site. This is amazing site. I have already withdraw $1 from this site, and it was instant. So I really recommend this site to you guys. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Happy earnings.